Santiago. I'm here with
Abby Reed.
So we heard about the new coffee. What are all the flavors?
We have caramel, we have a vanilla latte, we have a regular latte, we have an Americano, and we have a chocolate mocha.
Okay, so how much does it cost?
So our normal coffee will cost about $4.50, and that's with the latte. Our Americano is $4, and our macchiato and our mocha is $5.
So how good do you think it is?
Absolutely delicious. Highly recommend. You should go check it out.